So today we're talking about the Lynch Northwest and Redeemed Creations All Access Pass version 2. Let's check it out. Now I recorded a short on the unboxing of the All Access Pass version 2. If you guys want to check this out, I'll put that link down below, but let me give you guys a nice close-up of the brand new version 2 of the All Access Pass wallet here. And while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about some of the features. The All Access Pass version 2 is a leather-wrapped vertical style wallet with 2 card pockets and 2 pockets on the back to hold some gear. And those 2 card pockets can hold between 8 to 12 credit cards, plus some cash. It's handmade from a full-grain Horween Dublin leather, and everything is hand-stitched. It's available in 3 different colors: a black leather with black thread, a brown leather with cocoa thread in the version that I have right here, tan leather with cocoa thread. And everything is made right here in the USA. All right, let's talk dimensions. It comes in at 3.3 inches by 4.5 inches at its highest point. And according to my weight test, it comes in at 1.5 ounces. That's 42 grams. So the All Access Pass version 2 wallet is a collaboration between Lynch Northwest and Redeemed Creations. And you can see the Redeemed Creations logo right there on the front and the Lynch Northwest logo right there on the back. Now this style of wallet is slowly becoming one of my favorites to carry on an everyday basis. A wallet slash EDC pocket organizer. And I think that's why I like the All Access Pass version 2 so much, is because it gives you 2 pockets to hold your credit cards plus some cash in this fairly large middle pocket right here. And then there's 2 pockets on the back to hold some gear. Now don't get me wrong, you can't hold a ton of gear back here in these 2 small pockets, but for someone like me, the 2 pieces of gear that I want to hold, it does it very well. Now let's talk about the design here. You can see it looks vastly different from the All Access Pass version 1 wallet right here. The All Access Pass version 1 is a bifold with 3 card pockets and then just 1 pocket here on the front to hold a pry bar. Now I'm not going to talk about the All Access Pass version 1 right here. I did a whole review on this. If you guys want to see that, I'll put a link down below in my description box. Now if you guys are familiar with Redeemed Creations wallets, you're going to see that this is just a variation of their slim wallet. It's basically the exact same style here, except now there's a metal grommet hole up here for a lanyard, and instead of a quick access card pocket right here, it's just sewn to create 2 pockets. So if you're a fan of the slim wallet from Redeemed Creations and need to carry around a pry bar or a pen or even a small knife, I think you're really going to like the version 2 of the All Access Pass wallet here. And it's made from Horween Dublin. I absolutely love this leather. It feels very soft, yet very firm. I love Horween Dublin. And while we're at it, let's do a smell test. Oh, you guys already know that Horween smells awesome. So there's no doubt that the leather is quality. Now let's take a look at some of these cuts. The cuts look very, very nice. Everything looks burnished very nicely here, so very nice job. And I'll give you guys a nice close-up of that hand saddle stitching here. I think everything looks great, even on the pockets back here. You can see this wallet has definitely been used in the last week or so. I've had some pieces of gear back here. Right here I've had my All Access Pass pry bar, and I've been carrying a pen, as you can probably see here. And I do like the addition of this grommet hole here to put a lanyard. I haven't done that yet, but that is definitely on my list to add a lanyard here. Now let's take a look at these pockets here. There's a quick access card pocket right here in the front. That's where I've been keeping my most used credit card. And a very large, spacious center pocket here where I've been keeping the remainder of my cards and quartered cash. So let me demonstrate. Most used credit card right there in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flat cards. Give it a little squeeze and look at how much room is in there. I mean, they say between 8 to 12 credit cards. Right here is 7, and it fits it without a problem. And now let's try 5 American dollar bills here, folded into quarters. Just give it a squeeze like that. Fits in very nicely. So you can see, for my needs, 7 cards, 5 bills, not a problem. And since this is a variation of their slim wallet, it's still considered a minimalist wallet, so 7 cards and 5 bills is just perfect. At least I think so. Now for those of you who want me to test out the maximum 12 cards, here's 5 more cards. Just going to squeeze and stick them in the back there behind those other cards right there. And yeah, it's definitely filling out that pocket better, but there it is, 12 cards and 5 bills. Nice. And generally, I don't like a center pocket like this for my cards, but there's so much room in there. All you have to do is just give it a squeeze and you can see everything comes out pretty easy. So with this wallet here, that's not really an issue for me. And the quick access card pocket here in the front has plenty of room to grab the top of that card. You can see a lot of it is exposed, so that might be an issue for some of you guys. For me, it doesn't really matter because my wallet is in my pocket 95% of the time. But for those of you who don't like your credit cards exposed, just know that there's a good portion of that card exposed right there in the front. All right, so let's talk about the gear pockets on the back. I measured this from stitch point to stitch point on this first pocket where you can keep your pry bar, and that is 1.2 inches long. And the second pocket over here from the stitch point to the very end is about 1.7 inches long. So in this first pocket, of course, what else would I be carrying in the All Access Pass wallet than the All Access Pass version 1.5? Pry bar right there. You can see how well that fits. And in the second pocket, I already mentioned I've been carrying a pen, and that's the Tactile Turn Mini right here. It's 4.4 inches long, and it gives you a good idea of the size here. The 4.4 inch long pen, it sticks out just slightly over the top there. Now, of course, you can fit a small knife here in this pocket and just put this pen in this pry bar pocket, but for me and my needs, every time I carry a wallet / EDC pocket organizer, I'm always reaching for a pry bar and a pen. My gear is always fighting for pocket real estate, so whenever I carry an EDC pocket organizer such as this, it's always a pry bar and a pen. I don't like carrying knives in a pocket organizer. I like quick, easy access to my knife at all times. I don't want to have to take out my wallet or pocket organizer to get at it. But if you guys follow Redeemed Creations on Instagram, you're going to see that he's been posting a lot about the All Access Pass version 2 wallet here. And I noticed that he's been carrying the Knipex 4-inch pliers here, the pliers wrench. And yes, if you guys do have the 4-inch pliers here, you can see it does fit it pretty nicely right there. Now for me, I wouldn't carry these in this wallet because I have the Lynch Northwest pocket slip that's specifically made for that. I think this is great. So I like to carry a pen here, pry bar here, 7 total cards, 5 bills. I think this is fantastic. Currently, the price on this is about 65 bucks, which I think is a pretty good deal, especially for a handmade Horween Dublin pocket EDC organizer such as this. But the availability on these are limited, just like the All Access Pass version 1 right here. They were sold out all the time. I'm glad I got my hands on this bad boy right here. But as far as I can see right now online, the only place to get this is on the Lynch Northwest website, not on the Redeemed Creations website. That could change in the future, but as of right now, at the time I'm recording this video, that's the only place to get it. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the Lynch Northwest Redeemed Creations All Access Pass version 2? Now, if you want to check this out for yourself, I will have links down below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!